Alright, hey, so today we're going to do some interior detailing of the $1,000 Lexus.
Statistic.
So, admittedly, I don't really know much about interior detailing or really detailing cars at all, but I'm slowly learning, so we shall see. But I'm just going to start by vacuuming out the car. So for the interiors, what I'm going to use is I'm going to use Coach Leather Cleaner and the Barrett-Jackson Auto Interior Detailing Kit. And we'll just use that on some of the plastic bits and the dash. I plan to be also using the Coach Leather Cleaner on the interior. Alright, so here is the interior all cleaned up. Back seat took quite a while. There was some big dark stains on it. Clean those up. Not bad. Use some carpet cleaner. Remove some of the stains. I still have to fix the rear floor mats, the OEM ones. Get around to the other side. Update, going to be also working on the power steering pump because that is leaking, so I need to buy a remanufactured one. Not bad. Going to replace these speaker grill covers. Those are bad. This was all nasty earlier. Lexus badge is all cleaned up. Floor looks pretty decent, still gotta remove a couple stains. Back seat is as good as I'm gonna be able to get it. There's none of those giant dark lines on it anymore though, so that's good. And the driver's side is still a little rough, but there's nothing too much I can do except if I bought a new seat or something. So, not awful, but definitely it's getting there. It's getting better. Used a wood trim cleaner. Clean up the dials. Clean the dash. That was pretty nasty in there. It's a little bit better. You can see the Lexus badge now. It was all dark, covered in stains. Alright, thanks for watching. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. I'm going to be continuing to make some more videos on the LS400 for a little bit. Who knows, probably might do VIP build, so we will see. I gotta jump back to the E28 and produce some content for that, because it is, after all, E28 source. And I do have the Porsche 911, which is just kind of sitting there. I don't know what I'm gonna do to it, but I've just been kind of daily driving it a little bit right now. Put about 3,000 some miles on it since I bought it in March, so we shall see. Anyways, guys, looking forward to producing more content. Subscribe.